some sorghum. Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. If you are new here, you are welcome. Here I'm going to show you a beautiful, delicious turkey meal. I baked that turkey and you can see it has some nice color. That mustard and curry, you'll see how I marinated it in a minute. At the bottom there I have sorghum. I have gravy with some green peas. Oh yeah, delicious. So we go ahead, don't forget to press that subscribe button. Yes, I'll wait. Press that subscribe button and don't forget to press that like button and hit that notification bell so that when I post you do not miss out. To marinate the turkey wings, I have some lemon here. I'm gonna use half of it, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, some mustard. I'm gonna use some curry. I want some nice color on this turkey wings. A little bit of olive oil there. I'm going to use balsamic vinegar, onion, salt, and some paprika. So let's get it going. Garlic. See how thin it is. And I'm gonna put the rest of the stuff. Now I'm gonna marinate the turkey. Okay. And then bake it. Okay, I'm ready to put it in the oven, and I have the oven at 385. So I'll cover it up with aluminum foil and bake it for about 45 minutes and then uncover it. Okay, so I'm gonna baste it with this nice looking oil on top. Baste it and I'm gonna put it in the oven so it can brown a bit. Good stuff. While the turkey is baking, I'm gonna make some gravy. Can use this if you have it, or any kind of quick mix you have, or just use a little bit of flour. I don't like using flour, so I'll rather use this. Alright, it's done now. This is some sorghum. I'm gonna top it up with those turkey wings. Top it up with this gravy and then turkey wings.